Hi guys, today my video is about load balancers. So like before, I created two instances with the file same as test.html. It is very important to have the same file name and test2.html. So I'm going to be creating load balancers. So we'll go to this panel here, we'll select load balancer, we'll create a load balancer. So basically today I'm going to teach you classic load balancing. In this load balancer, what happens, like as the load, it gets divided into somewhat the machines. So load balancer name, you give a simple name as test. So this is my test load balancer, so I'm giving it test. You can give whatever you want. Select group. So it is very important to select the groups that you have selected for the load balancer. If you don't know, just select all the groups, else you'll select these two groups. How do you get to know that which group you're from? So I'll click AWS management console. If I go to ec2, as you go to the instances, if you see here, if you check here, my launch security group is launch whichever one, which is responsible for the HTTP request and all. My security group for 2 is test. So in the load balancer, I'm going to choose these two because this is obviously default one. Next, security group settings. Next, this is very important as we have given the same file in both the systems, so it will write test dot recheck it again, tst.html. as we have given the same file in this two, it will not get health checkups if this both instances doesn't have this file. So we'll go to next, and then we'll select all the instances because these two instances contain the test.html file, which I have made it here as test1 and test2. Now where I was here. So next, set text key value. It's not important for me to take the machines right now. You can give any value here to take your machine. So review and create. So close. My load balancer has created. If you go to health checks now or instances now, you'll get out of service. It shows instance registration is still in progress. So I'll pause the video now. After that, I'll come back how to do it. So as you can see, the instance in service. So what are health checks? Health checks basically sends ping to both of your servers and checks whether that same file exists or not. It's important that I give index test.html because I've created test.html in both the files. So both the instances have this test.html file. Now I'm going to check whether my load balancer is working or not. So if I go and take this DNS name and put it here, I don't want to see the dashboard because I cannot tell .html. So here is it, test2 is opening. See, this server is running now for this one. So if I keep on refreshing, at some point of time it should come test1. See, it came, it going back again. I'll copy this and paste this here again. Refresh. Oh my holy cow. Oh, it's taking test2 as a priority. Don't know. I'll keep on refreshing it until and unless I saw test1. No test1. No test1. No test1. What happened to this? Oh my god. It should have come by now. See, now it's just showing test1. So it switches the server as the load increases, and it is basically random because this is classic. So next time I'm going to show you how to make it more unique with lambda functions and all. Thank you. If you like my video, like it. If you don't like my video, thumbs down to my video. And if you have any questions you want to, or you want to see any more tutorials on AWS, or want to do something else with AWS, let me know. Hopefully if I know it, I'll make a video on it. Thanks. Bye bye. Good night.